Hey developers, CGI is hiring for the automation QA role, and talk about the required qualification. B.Tech is required and the 2024-25 batch can apply for this role. And talking about the required skills, Java, Python, Selenium or English communication skills is required. And here is the position description, so you can read to know more about this QA hiring, like assistant designing, developing and executing automated test script using Selenium, WebDriver with Java or Python. Support the automation framework maintenance and enhancement. Contribute to CI process using tools such as Jenkins, Git or similar. So these are the required qualification and skills, and the work location is Bangalore. So these are the required details. So end this video, apply link below in the description, hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skillllayer for more job updates.